So next one I want to talk about it is going to be the scale. Sometimes we draw something and we want to scale it up or down. We want to make it larger or want to make it smaller. So let's draw a rectangle again here. So assume I have this rectangle, and then after I draw it, I figure out, okay, I want it to be half of what it is. And to do that, I can come and click on that scale command. So click on the scale, again, is ask select all the objects you want to scale. So here I have only one object, I click on that. If I have more than one object, I can click on all the objects I want to scale. And after you select the object, press enter. And again, it's going to ask you to define the base point that you want to scale respect to that base point. So let's do again that lower left corner. And as soon as I click on that, it will ask me, okay, how much do you want to scale it? If I give the number less than the one, it's going to be scale it down. So the output is going to be smaller than the original one. If I give the number larger than the one, it's going to be larger than point. So for example, here if I put 0.5, so it's going to make it half of the one that I already have respect to that point. So enter 0.5 and press enter, so it's going to make it half. The same way I can scale it up as well. So I can go ahead, click on the scale, select the object, press enter. I can select the point, and this time assume I want to scale it up with respect to that point. So let's click on the base point here, and then I put, for example, 1.5 times of the original one, and it's going to make it 1.5 of times of the original. So it's very helpful when we draw something and then we find that we need to make some changes in the dimension of that. We can easily come and scale it up or scale it down.